Hey Mavericks! Welcome back to the Job Search Maverick. If you're new here, I'm Raya, your people development coach, and this is where we talk about real-world job search strategies, career growth, and the path to self-employment. Today, we're tackling a big question: how do you transition from being employed to self-employed without losing financial stability? Let's be real, most people dream of being their own boss. But the thought of leaving behind a steady paycheck? Terrifying! But here's the truth. Self-employment doesn't have to be a risky jump. It can be a strategic transition. So today, I'm giving you 5 actionable steps to go from employee to entrepreneur without the overwhelm. Let's get into it. Step 1. Develop an exit strategy. Most people quit their jobs too soon without a plan, and that's a huge mistake. Instead, you need a calculated transition. Pro tip: start by setting a clear timeline. Whether it's 6 months, 12 months, or longer, know exactly when you'll make the move and what financial and professional milestones you need to hit before you do. Build your emergency fund, at least 6 months of expenses. Identify a profitable side hustle or freelancing service to get your feet wet. Start networking within your future industry now. Step 2. Validate your business idea and find your first clients. Don't wait until you quit your job to see if your idea works. Test it now. Pro tip: offer your services as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Your goal is to get real clients and feedback while you're still employed. Start small. Your first customers are proof your idea has demand. Join online communities where your ideal clients hang out. Don't be afraid to reach out to your existing network. Step 3. Master financial planning and income diversification. One of the biggest fears about self-employment? Money instability. But you can set yourself up for financial security. Pro tip: start thinking like an entrepreneur and track every dollar. Separate your business income from personal income now. Build multiple income streams: freelancing, coaching, affiliate income, etc. Consider part-time employment or consulting as a safety net during your transition. Step 4. Build a personal brand and online presence. People do business with people they trust. Our personal brand is your reputation, so start building it early. Pro tip: create content around your expertise on LinkedIn posts, a YouTube channel, or even a blog. This builds credibility and attracts potential clients. Optimize your LinkedIn profile with clear, client-focused messaging. Start sharing your journey and expertise on social media. Join Facebook groups, forums, and industry chats where your audience is. Step 5. Shift your mindset. From employee to CEO, this is the most important step. Self-employment isn't just about making money, it's about thinking differently. Pro tip: stop seeing yourself as just a worker and start thinking like a business owner. Set daily work routines. You are the boss now. Get comfortable with uncertainty. Entrepreneurship isn't predictable, but it's rewarding. Keep learning. Invest in books, courses, and mentorship. So, Mavericks, if you're serious about transitioning from employee to self-employed, remember, have an exit plan with financial security in place. Validate your business idea and test it early. Learn money management. Cash flow is key. Build your brand and client base while still employed. Shift your mindset. This is your business, not just a side hustle. Which step are you focusing on first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video to support the channel, subscribe for weekly job search and self-employment tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. And remember, Mavericks, you are in control of your career. Let's make it happen.